Good morning. It is 8:30 and we are counting down to the start of a sunny session in Sydney. Some clouds though hanging over the market, Scotty.
Yeah, it's an interesting one. Yields down and risk off, which is generally not been the theme, but I think a few people are getting concerned about particularly what's happening in Europe, also some parts of the United States where virus cases are emerging. Locally, there's a lot of people looking at what's going on in New Zealand because we've got, of course, those changes to the laws announced yesterday by the government when it comes to investor lending. We've got a housing panel today. Stephen Kikoulis and Sharon Zollner from ANZ New Zealand will be talking us through that. Could have some big implications for our market.
Yeah, it certainly should, because obviously, is that a harbinger for what's going on, about to happen here? We're going to be talking to Mary Jo Varaga from Kiwi Bank on those changes, and also talking to You Foods just about the future of Australia's eating patterns, how it affects the company. It IPO'd last year. Share price hasn't done too well.
And of course, that situation in New Zealand also affecting the New Zealand dollar, now trading below that 70 cents mark. But a lot of volatility in those FX markets overnight. The Australian dollar back down towards that 76.20 mark. We've got Tony Sycamore to talk about that one. But of course, it's because of the commodities story. That oil price dropping 6% overnight. And we've got Gavin Wendt from Mine Life. He'll be taking us through all of the commodities plays in the 9 a.m.
Yeah, busy in commodities. Look, is it a moment for women in Australia? Jury's out on that one, but the AEDT has put out a new report talking about gender equality in the boardroom, and we'll be speaking with Louise Petchler later in the day on where we're at in terms of representation of females on boards. So there is a smorgasbord of interviews coming up throughout the day. We hope you have a good one, and we hope to see you at 8:30.